Today I am discuss entrance question. MSc Nursing entrance exam. Part A. Question number 1 is a person seeing a design on the wallpaper perceive it as an animal. This is an example of option A delusion, option B illusion, option C a hallucination, and option D an idea of reference. The correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Then next question number 2. Social change refers in option A dress, option B food habit, option C value system, and option D is habitation pattern. The correct answer is option C, value system. Question number 3. The degree of flatness or peakedness of a graph of a frequency of distribution is termed as option A standard deviation, option B kurtosis, option C skewness, and option D is mode. The correct answer is option B kurtosis. Next question number 4. Sociodrama is all except option A simulation method, option B group method, option C social play method, and option D is field trip method. The correct answer is option D, field trip method. Question number 5. Which one of the following is called an alteration in genetic material? Option A is genotype, option B genealogy, option C mutation, and option D is sterilization. Correct answer is option C, mutation. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is not true about sociometry? Option A sociometry is based on the fact that people make choices in interpersonal relationship. Option B sociometry is a methodology for tracking the energy vectors of interpersonal relationship in a group. Option C sociometry is the non-mathematical study of psychological properties of peers. And option D sociometry is a powerful tool for reducing conflict and improving communication among peers. The correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. And question number 7. Coefficient of stability is found out to option A test reliability, option B content validity, option C concurrent validity, option D construct validity. The correct answer is question number 7. Correct answer is option A, test reliability. In question number 8. Bleeding from a posterior gastric ulcer arises from which vessels? Option A left gastro-omental artery, option B splenic artery, option C right gastro-omental artery, option D is inferior pancreoduodenal artery. The correct answer is option B, splenic artery is the correct answer. Question number 9. The device an investigator employs to collect data is called option A sample, option B instrument, option C hypothesis, and option D is concept. The correct answer is option B, instrument. Question number 10. Field trip can be made different from a usual picnic by option A proper planning and arrangement, option B assigning defined responsibilities to group members, option C seeking prior permission, and option D is defined educational objective. Correct answer is option D, defined educational objectives. Then question number 11. The teaching technique that has the ability to connect with the audience at an emotional level is option A role play, option B demonstration, option C seminar, and option D is panel discussion. Correct answer is option A role play. Question number 12. Which method is the placement of a series of variable in ascending or descending order? Option A is ranking, option B rating, option C Q-shot, and option D is none of these. The correct answer is option A, ranking. Question number 13. Which of the following is not true about a pure experimental research? The option A is there is a control group, option B is there is an experimental group, option C selection of subject in the control group is randomized, option D is there is a careful selection of subject in the experimental group. The correct answer is option D. There is a careful selection of subject in the experimental group. Question number 14. Prolonged lithium therapy can causes diabetes mellitus. Option B is Parkinsonism, option C chronic kidney disease, and option D is gout. The correct answer is option C, chronic kidney disease. Question number 15. Blood supply during exercise does not decrease in option A cutaneous circulation, option B hepatosplenochromic circulation, option C renal circulation, option D is coronary circulation. The correct answer is option D, coronary circulation. Question number 16. Marriage is important and universal social institution of society. Option B is helpful in strengthening the caste system. Option C important basis of group formation, and option D is helpful in clamping down the anger of two conflicting groups. The correct answer is option A, important and universal social institution of society. Question number 17. Lymphatics are found in option A brain, option B choroid, option C spinal cord, and option D is dermis of skin. The correct answer is option D, dermis of skin. Question number 18. The process of healing of tissues involves all of the following steps except option A coagulation and hemostasis, option B inflammation, option C non-proliferation, option D is wound remodeling and scar formation. The correct answer is option C, non-proliferation is the correct answer. Question number 19. Which blood cell are produced antibodies in our body? Option A B lymphocyte, option B T lymphocyte, option C monocyte, option D is RBC. The correct answer is option A. Question number 20. Diorama refers to 3D arrange of object of a concept. Option B is 2D arrange of object of a concept. Option C role play on a problem. Option D is molded image of any object. Correct answer is option A, 3D arrange of a object of a concept. Question number 21. The nurse is administering intravenous chemotherapeutic drug to a patient. Which assessment would require the nurse's immediate action? Option A is stomatitis lesion in the mouth. Option B is severe nausea and vomiting. Option C complaint of pain at site of infusion, and option D is a rash on the patient extremities. And the correct answer is option C, complaint of pain at the site of infusion. Question number 22. Which theory was proposed by Karl Marx? Option A is fascism, option B is communism, option C is socialism, option D is behaviorism. The correct answer is option B, communism. Question number 23. A common data collecting instrument in nursing research is option A interview, option B questionnaire, option C critical incident, and option D is all of the above. The correct answer is Option B. Questionnaire is the correct answer. Question number 24. Patient attachment to nurse other than therapeutic relationship. Option A is respect. Option B love. Option C belongingness. Option D boundary violation. The correct answer is option D boundary violation. Question number 25. Delusions refers to option A thoughts or belief that have no basis in reality. Option B feeling that have no basis in reality. Option C behavior that has no basis in reality. And option D is none of these. Correct answer is option A thoughts or beliefs that have no basis in reality. Question number 26. What type of counseling is applicable for a student who is not cooperate her peer? Option A is developmental counseling. Option B facilitating counseling. Option C preventive counseling. And option D is crisis counseling. The correct answer is option B facilitating counseling. Question number 27. Unidirectional flow of nerve impulse is at option A synapse, option B action, option C dendrite, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A synapse is the correct answer. Question number 28. By which process glucose that is taken by a bacterial cell is made to stay within the cell? Option A is attaching to membrane. Option B immediate utilization. Option C phosphorylation. And option D is conversion to fructose. The correct answer is option C phosphorylation. 29. About 40% of hospital acquired infection occurs in which tract? Option A is urinary tract. Option B is respiratory tract. Option C gastrointestinal tract. And option D is none of these. The correct answer is option A urinary tract. Question number 30. Which of the following communicate the result of the research to the readers? They facilitate the description of the data. Option A is hypothesis. Option B is statistics. Option C is research problem. Option D is table and graphs. The correct answer is option D table and graphs. Question number 31. The cephalic phase of gastric secretion is mediated mainly by neurohormones of the hypothalamus. Option B is parasympathetic nerve. Option C is sympathetic efferent nerve. And option D is chemical agent. The correct answer is parasympathetic nerve. Option B. Question number 32. Which organism commonly causes bacillary dysentery? Option A Klebsiella. Option B E. coli. Option C Vibrio cholera. And option D Shigella. The correct answer is option D. Shigella is the correct answer. Question number 33. Which of the following is not an intentional tort? Option A is battery. Option B assault. Option C negligence. Option D is false imprisonment. The correct answer is option C negligence. Question number 34. The pattern of pressure which a society exerts to maintain order and establish rules is known as social approval. Option B group. Option C public opinion. Option D social control. The correct answer is option D social control. Question number 35. Which of the following is a characteristic of a sample? Option A is the sample must be consistent with the problem to be studied. Option B is the characteristics to be studied must be represented in the sample. Option C is the sample must be representative of the total population of the group to be studied. And option D is all of these. The correct answer is option D. All of this is the correct answer. Question number 36. Angiotensin 2 plays a key role in the following risk factors for ischemic heart disease. Option A is hypercholesterolemia, option B is ventricular hypertrophy, option C is cardiac arrhythmia, and option D is carbohydrate intolerance. The correct answer is option B, ventricular hypertrophy. Question number 37. Validity of a tool measured. Option A is measures with the what is supposed to be measured. Option B, measure consistently. Option C is feasible and applicable. Option D is standardized. The correct answer is option A, measured what is supposed to be measured. Question number 38. Probability sample are option A simple random sample and systematic sample, option B is purposive and convenience sample, option C is quota sampling and convenience sample, option D is intervening sample and parametric samples. The correct answer is option A, simple random sample and systematic sample. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a type of family? Option A joint family, option B nuclear family, option C patricial family, option D extended family. Answer is option C. Question number 40. Through which of the following methods desirable channel are provided for release of emotional energy? Option A is inhibition, option B is sublimation, option C catharsis, and option D is depression. Answer is option C, catharsis is the correct answer. Then part B. Question number 41. The protein substance developed by the body in response to a interacting specific antigen is option A antigen, option B antibody, option C immunity, and option D is infection. The correct answer is option B antibody. Question number 42. Blood flow through the coronary arteries primarily occurs during option A inspiration, option B expiration, option C systole, option D diastole. Answer is option D diastole. Question number 43. The NUHM will focus on option A total population of the urban area, option B urban slum dwellers, option C pregnant women of the urban areas, and option D is children less than 6 years of age of the urban areas. Right answer is option B, urban slum dwellers. Question number 44. Infective endocarditis is characterized by all the following except option A chorea, option B January lesion, option C ocular nodes, option D growth spots. Right answer is chorea, option A. Question number 45. The further assess a client's suicidal potential, nurse should be especially alert to the client expression of option A frustration and fear and of death, option B anger and resentment, option C anxiety and loneliness, and option D is helplessness and hopelessness. The correct answer is option D, helplessness and hopelessness. Question number 46. In rural area, the administrative unit of an ICDS project is option A block development office, option B community development block, option C is Gram Panchayat, and option D is district health office. The correct answer is option B is the correct answer, community development block. Question number 47. The nurse understands that the patient diagnosed with pulmonary embolism will be treated first by option A streptokinase, option B tissue plasminogen activator, option C IV heparin sodium, option D sodium warfarin. The correct answer is IV heparin sodium. Question number 48. Brain neurotransmitter serotonin is produced from option A raf nuclei, option B substantia nigra, option C locus ceruleus, option D amygdala. Correct answer is option A raf nuclei. Question number 49. A head injury patient who opens eyes to painful stimuli is confused and localized pain. What is the Glasgow Coma scale? Option A is 7, option B 9, option C 11 and option D 12. The correct answer is option C 11. Question number 50. The nurse considered a client response to crisis intervention successful if the client option A is develop insight into reason why the crisis occurred, returns to his previous level of functioning, option C is changes coping skill and behavioral pattern, and option D is learn to relate better to others. The correct answer is option B, return to his previous level of functioning. Thank you.